In this video, I will show you how to change the number to word in Microsoft Excel using formula. So once you change number and you will click anywhere, so it will convert automatically your numbers into word. Like this. So to create this formula, firstly you need to enable this developer tab. Enable developer tab, click on File, Options, here click on Customize Ribbon and make sure this developer tab is enabled. If it's not selected, so make sure and select it, then click on OK. Now here click on Visual Basic, then Insert, then click on Module. Now visit my this website techproadviceblogspot.com and copy this code and paste here. Click on File, click on Save Book 1. Now in Savings type, make sure you have to select Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. Then click on Save. Now click on File and click on Close and return to Microsoft Excel. Now here type this formula equal SP. Double click on spell number. Now select this cell. In my case it's A2. Then press enter. Will change your number. So it will show you here. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.